2 hours.
It
so.
still would have been worse.
Yeah,
Guys, there's a massive fucking spider that just came out of the fucking camera! It's right there!
where?
No, literally, it came out of the fucking camera. It's right there.
Where?
I'm so sorry for
Are you afraid of spiders?
What the fuck was that?
Guys, it's huge!
Am I?
It's behind the monitor right now.
I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll.
Do you see it?
It was my shoelace.
Oh
It was
my god! Oh my
okay.
god!
Wait. I don't see it. I don't freaking see it.
I'm
I don't see it.
I'm so sorry.
I don't
There's
see
no way you don't see it.
I actually. Do you see it right now?
Boogie.
No, it went behind the monitor.
Which monitor? The left one or the
There
right one?
is no spider behind this monitor. I'm being so serious. Oh, Rosie.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Rosie. Oh my God, Rosie's gonna save the day.
Wait.
Um,
I didn't know you had a big fear of spiders.
No, sweetie, this one was huge.
Pokey, there
Wait,
is
he's
no...
And it was
Australia.
actively moving towards us.
Rosie! Rosie!
How big are we talking?
Wait, Australia has like 2 feet spiders.
Yeah,
but how-
You're used to this.
Dude, you guys fight spiders on the daily, Rosie. Just get it.
Okay, I actually just don't know where it went.
Pokey,
Me
Pokey, there's no spider. There was none.
Cinna, do you think I would?
Dude,
do you think I actually fell asleep?
Literally, she's trying to sound fucking good. It's alright, but not on that level. I know it's my longest one.
And I just don't see
Her
it.
reaction was she's scared, and you're invalidating her fears.
Well, it's because there's...
Okay, so basic.
There is a...
Yeah, go ahead.
There is like a really...
Okay, so
This is
listen.
so disrespectful.
Rosie,
It
find
either
the
came
spider.
down from
Rosie,
the camera
Rosie,
or
find the
from-
spider, Rosie.
And then it like, it came down here and then it went behind, and from my angle it went like
Turkey,
behind
with your
the
hands, how big was it?
like this.
What? That's what I'm saying. What? That's so big.
Was it furry or what?
Cause like when you see a little spider, you're like cute. It wasn't furry, but it had really long legs, and it
Oh, wait.
and it was coming towards us.
I actually.
Was it a Daddy Longlegs?
It might be-
looked
it might be.
thicker. No, it looked
Oh,
thick.
Okay.
You know, Daddy Longlegs
There
have
was-
like thin.
We have to move out. I can't sleep here anymore.
This one had.
I
big
don't
legs.
see a...
Okay, hold on.
Cinna, it's missing. But
Yeah, but where?
I feel like a flashlight could